Here I'm going to demonstrate how to debug Ionic iOS application from simulator or device using Safari and Visual Studio Code. So let's start. So before debugging in iOS simulator or device, first you have to open your simulator. You can open your simulator like this from Xcode and open the settings, go to Safari, then go to advanced. Okay, here you will not find the web inspector, so we have to open another emulator, so where we can find the web inspector. Unfortunately, in some new simulators there is no web inspector, so we have to look for the simulators where the web inspector option is there. So let's quit this simulator, then open a new one. So here I will open 7 plus. Let's see. Okay, then we have to go to the setting, then Safari, then go to advanced. Here also inspector is not available, so let's see if we can inspect. So before that we have to open the Safari technology preview. This is the newest browser from Apple. Then we have to enable this develop tab. So by default this is not enabled. To make it enable, you have to click on preferences, then we have to go to the advanced tab and we have to enable this one, show develop menu in menu bar. Okay, which mine is already enabled, so let's close it. And yeah, then we'll see in Visual Studio Code how to enable the debugger. So to debug any TypeScript code, so for in any method you want to debug, just you have to write debugger, that's it. And how to build the iOS project using ionic or build iOS. And let's build the project. Yeah, a project is successfully built. So let's open the same project on Xcode, and I have already opened the same project on my Xcode, and let's run it. Yeah, this is our application. Then let's try to debug it from in iOS, in Safari. So for that we have to click on develop, then here this simulator is not available, so we have to run a different simulator, I guess. So let's close this simulator and open a new one. uh, I will open iPhone 7. Let's see. Yeah, we are able to open it. Yeah, this is now visible. So this, some of the simulators, there seems some restriction or maybe bug in Safari. We cannot see it in Safari, but some of the simulators we can see in Safari like this. You click on develop and go to the simulator iPhones 7 simulator, then click the localhost. Localhost, it's a link to our current running project, which you can see below my ionic project, then localhost. So this is the path to our application that is running on simulator, and click on localhost. Yeah. So now if you refresh it, you can see the debug point. Yeah, here you can see the debug point, and you can debug the next line of code using these functions on left side. So I can go to the next line. Yeah, so that's it. This is another way how we can debug ionic iOS application from simulator or device in Safari browser. Thank you for watching.